In this video, I will show you how to reset your Roblox pin. Now, this does work slightly different. It's not like if you forgot your password, you can just request for it to be reset via email or phone. The process is slightly different, so make sure to pay attention and watch this all the way through. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. So what you're going to want to do first is come across to roblox.com and make sure you're logged into your account. So of course, if you're already logged in, what's going to happen is going to take you straight across to your dashboard. If not, then just make sure you're logged into your account. And just a note that if you are under the age of 13 years old, you will need a parent or guardian to help you with this. So what we're going to do is once we're logged in, we're going to scroll all the way to the very bottom until you get some options down here. And what you're going to want to do is click onto this one which says help. It's going to take you across to the Roblox support page. Now from here, you're going to get some options. So make sure you do pay close attention because the next steps are very important. And what you're going to want to do is click onto this one here which says Roblox account. And it says I need help with my account. Again, this is going to bring up some more options. And what you're going to want to do is just scroll down the page until you get to the account settings section just down here, and you'll see this one there that says I forgot the pin. So if you go and give that a click, it's going to take you across to a screen that looks like this. So if you have added a pin to your account, of course, if you do make any changes to account settings, you will need the pin, but obviously if you've forgotten it, you'll need to go through these steps to reset the pin. As I mentioned earlier in the video, it does work slightly differently. It's not like a password reset where you just basically put your email address in and you can reset your password. You know, it does work slightly differently. What you're going to have to do is a contact form. If you look in this paragraph here, you can see there's a blue contact form link. So you want to give that a click. And what that's going to do is open up another page with a contact form. From here, what you can do is put your username. And if you've got an account under the age of 13, it's going to ask you for your parents' email address, which of course you would need to get a parent or guardian to help you out with this. Then you would just go ahead and confirm your email address and just go ahead and fill in the other details. Down here you would select what problem you're having the platform on. So if you use Roblox on PC, obviously you would select PC. If you use it on a mobile device like an Android phone, you would select Android phone, and so on and so forth. Underneath there, you just want to click onto this type of help category here. And what you're going to want to do from here is basically click onto the top one, which says account hacked or can't log in. And then it's going to ask you for another option. So you're going to get another drop down box. And on here, you just want to select account pin. And then you just want to put a brief description of the issue. So all you need to say is, I have forgot my pin. Please can you help me reset it? Once you've done that and you've filled in all your details, then what you would do is come down and click the submit button. The turnaround time is very quick. Normally Roblox will aim to help you. It's normally about a day or two, and they'll go through and help you get the pin reset. So of course you can use that to change anything in your account. So I hope that helped you out today, and if this did help you out, then be sure to subscribe to my channel for some more awesome tutorials. And if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for Roblox, then be sure to click the on-screen prompt now. That's going to take you across to a current playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Roblox. I just want to take a second to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you in the next one.